Hello, everyone. Welcome to Wednesday, September 30th video. Last day in September. That's super awesome. So, what we're going to be doing today, we're going to move on. We finished the lab yesterday, okay? And today, I'm going to teach you a little bit about protons, neutrons, and electrons. Now, you probably have heard of those three terms before. However, I'm going to review that, and I'm going to go over some examples of how to calculate the neutrons. Neutrons is probably the hardest part of it, and then we're going to move on. Okay, so we're going to find out how to determine how many protons, electrons, and neutrons are in an atom. Okay, so step one says use your periodic table to find the element. So here's an example of krypton. Okay, the very top number, 36, is the atomic number. Okay, that is the atomic number. Okay, the bottom number is the atomic weight, or what we call it, the atomic mass. Okay, the bottom number is the mass. Okay, so step one, use your periodic table to find the element. Step two, the number of protons. So protons have a positive charge. Okay, they have a positive charge. So the atomic number is equal to the number of protons. Okay, so the atomic number in 36 means that krypton has 36 protons. Krypton has 36 protons. All right, so the atomic number is the same thing as protons. And in addition to step 3, that's also equal to electrons. Okay, so if the neutral atom has no charge, the protons is the same as the electrons. So in krypton, there are 36 electrons. Okay. Then step 4, this is where it gets to be a little tricky. The mass of, or the number of neutrons, so neutrons are neutral, they have no charge, is the mass number rounded to the nearest whole number minus protons. So if I look at krypton, I'm going to round that to the nearest whole number, so that's going to be 84. 84 minus my 36. Krypton has 48 neutrons. Okay, so you just subtract the closest whole number for the mass minus the atomic number. Okay. All right, summary. Number of protons equals the atomic number. The electrons equal the protons. And then the neutrons equal the mass number minus the protons. Okay. All right, now what I want you to do is try some example problems out here real quick. Okay, if you have to pause the video, here are your 3 problems. You can pause the video right now. When you're done, resume the video, please. All right, so hopefully you got protons equals the atomic number. Oxygen has the atomic number of 8, which means 8 protons, 8 electrons. For neutrons, you got to do the mass. So the mass of oxygen is 16 minus the number of protons, which is 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay. For xenon, hopefully you got these 3 answers. And for zirconium, hopefully you got these 3 answers. Okay, so hopefully that kind of made sense on how to calculate those. You can use a periodic table or Google one. Google a periodic table. Okay. I did post an assignment on Google Classroom. It's labeled Model A and B, Wednesday, September 30th, proton, neutron, electron assignment. It's the very top thing in Google Classroom. So find that, complete that. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I hope you have a great day, a great Wednesday, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day.